it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I wanted to do a split color tonight painting, and I wanted to do almost like a yin and a yang feel. So like a pocket of color off to the side, pocket of color off to the side. It's in my head. Let's see if I can get it on canvas. Let's paint. Okay, so my idea is to, I guess, start with kind of a yin and a yang, like that. I mean, it's not gonna look exactly like one because this is a square canvas, but I thought, okay, so let me start this way. Right? And then, yeah, and then I can blow it out and see. I don't know if I'm gonna blow a pocket here out this way and a pocket here out that way. I don't know if the design is even gonna matter, but I figure why not try? These things pop into my head and then I have to get them out of my head and try them. So, and then I think I'm gonna blow the black side out first before I do the white side. Okay, so now I thought I could take my I have a little catalyst wedge here that I was gonna use, but I think I'll just take my palette knife and just kind of smooth that on along. I really don't even think I need to, honestly, because the white is going to, there we go. The white's just gonna butt right up to it, so. And again, doesn't have to be like a perfect, obviously this is not my yin and yang design exactly that I had thought about. But whatever, it's just an interesting design, you know, something different than just splitting halfway across or half and half this way. Okay, so now I've got my white. I'm not gonna pour straight up into there. I'm gonna go right through there. And then I'll use my palette knife again on this side once I'm done. This is what the apron is good for. Okay, let me blow this part out. Oh no. I had dipped into my black and I do not want that there. Okay, problem solved. Okay, now coming in again, let's move a little bit of this white together with the black, and then I think my strip, I I don't know. I don't know if my strip will go in there or not. My strip of colors, what I'm talking about. But I do know that I want this to be pretty. Put a little bit of black on there, pretty even. Yes, there we go. That is pretty good. And then I do think I'll use this just for this end right here to circle this on around. This is a catalyst wedge. I actually use this in my abstract work, but seems like it will work for this. And these colors, this white and this black, they will level on out. Okay, I think that's pretty good for now. And that will blow up there. Okay, so it's not quite, I should have probably had this white go along here. And I might even, it's much harder to try to get that black along, but I might just do like that. And maybe just have a little bit of the white go up here, kind of to mimic that side. And oh well, with a little bit blue, whatever. I think I'll have that blow off that way anyway, so shouldn't be that big of a deal. I do have rainbow colors and silver over here on the side. So I think I'm just gonna get to puddling here and see what happens. Okay, I'm scared of the red, the orange, and the yellow. So I'm gonna start on the black side. I think I'll start with red. And then on the white side, I think I'll start with blue. This is blue-green. Okay, all right. I'm liking this, I'm liking it. Then I wanna go with something a little bit contrasting. Oh, maybe my orange here. Oof, I don't know how that's gonna go. And then maybe my purple here. It's kind of gonna have maybe like an oriental feel to it. I don't know. Pause the video right here. Tell me what you think it's gonna look like here. What feel is it gonna have? Okay, I'm gonna go with then my red. Then my yellow. And if I don't get every color into each of these, like, okay, oh well. I don't know if I want to do anything down this line or if I maybe want to, I might just do some curlicues in it on this side. And then I have yellow there. I might do just a little bit more red here. Ooh, almost dropped it. Red there. And then purple. And finish that off on that side. And then I just a touch, because that's going to go to green, so just a touch of yellow there. And then maybe finish, a little bit of orange, finish again. And then I will have my silver on both sides. And I don't know yet, but maybe some silver would be nice along here. All right, so time to blow this out. Let's see what's gonna happen. Trying to figure out if I just wanna blow this way first. This is the part that's always difficult. there. And a little bit there. Pop my air bubbles. Now you guys know that I'm procrastinating. Okay, I think I'm just gonna go for it. This one, I'm at a better angle. I'm just gonna blow. So I got rid of my yin and yang. Now I have to figure out what I want to do with this to kind of fix this negative space that's over here. And I'm wondering, I think this may be the time. Okay, I'm getting this part. I think what I'm gonna do is put a little bit more white, a little bit more black, and then a little bit of silver. This one on the white is very pretty. This one in the black I feel like needed just something. But okay, let's look at this part right here. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. And I think to add some type of composition, I may do something to kind of carry this white that's right there on along. So I think maybe just right along there, kind of a very similar thing. What do you guys think? Something funky, right? Something different? Okay, I've already got a lot of black on here. So, this is gorgeous. Gosh, now I don't know. This white space. I'm thinking. I love this. Almost looks like something like broke apart and this came through. This is stunning. I'm gonna blow on this part right here. Bring that on in. And I still think right in there needs something. And right here, I think I'm gonna continue that white. Sorry guys, this is me in process. Like, this is me not having my idea together. Okay, so I like how that continued. This part is still a little subdued. And I think maybe I want that to continue up there just a little bit more. Wow, this is so different. Okay, you guys, I fiddled a lot, but I like it so much better now. It was so busy. I just felt like you couldn't feel kind of like the beauty of what it was. This one's still kind of round, but this one I changed the shape of a little bit. I really don't even like this one completely round. I filled back in some black areas and some white areas. I really wanted to get a good composition for it, and I think this is way better as far as composition goes. So, I'll take you in for your close-up. Oh my gosh. Just beautiful. I blew that out a little bit so that you could get the colors underneath a little bit better. Where I added that silver is just gorgeous. And then it kind of goes in. There's a little bit of flecks I'm gonna have to get. You can just tap your finger right there and get rid of them. All right, I'll show you guys how it dries. I like it so much better now. Yay. All right, I'll show you guys the dried result. This piece dried so great. I fiddled so much. I mean, I didn't like the composition before, but I do. I wish that this part right here was not such a circle. I really like the organic shape that happened up here, but look at that silver that I added. Amazing. Love it. Okay, I have to come up with a new singing saying. You guys can let me know. What should I be singing instead? Yes, I love. Love, love. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Happy painting.